Hey everyone, if your iPhone calls keep going straight to voicemail, here's what you can do. First, open your settings and tap Focus and select Do Not Disturb. Make sure that your Do Not Disturb is turned off because this can silence all incoming calls. Next, go back and tap Phone. Then select Announce Calls and make sure that it's set to Always. Also, tap Silence Unknown Callers and turn it off if you want to receive calls from numbers not in your contacts. Then, check your airplane mode. It should be off and ensure that your cellular signal is active. If the problem continues, restart your iPhone or contact your carrier to check for any network issues or call forwarding settings. And that's it. Your incoming call should now ring properly instead of going straight to voicemail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.